Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you might want to watch next? Or how Amazon seems to guess what you need before you even realize it? The answer to these curiosities lies in the realm of data analytics. Data analytics is more than just a buzzword in our modern technology-driven world. It's an integral part of the digital revolution, an invisible force that shapes our experiences, informs our decisions, and streamlines our lives. It's the secret ingredient that powers the recommendation engines of Netflix, Amazon, and countless other platforms. But what exactly is data analytics? In its simplest form, data analytics is the science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusions or making predictions. It's about finding patterns, spotting trends, and uncovering insights within vast amounts of information. It's like sifting through a digital mountain to find the precious gems of knowledge hidden within. The process involves multiple stages, each with its own set of techniques and tools. It begins with data collection, where information is gathered from various sources. This data is then cleaned and organized, removing any errors or inconsistencies that might skew the results. Next comes the analysis, where statistical methods and computer algorithms are used to examine the data and identify patterns. The final stage is interpretation, where the findings are presented in a way that's easy to understand and act upon. Data analytics is a bit like detective work. It's about piecing together clues, following leads, and solving mysteries. The only difference is that the mysteries are buried within data, and the clues are patterns and trends. And just like a good detective story, data analytics is full of intrigue. It's a field where seemingly random bits of information can reveal profound truths, where hunches can be confirmed or refuted with hard evidence, and where the answers to our most pressing questions are often just a data set away. Just as Netflix predicts your next binge-worthy series, data analytics is the crystal ball of the tech world. It's the tool that allows us to look into the future, to predict trends, to make informed decisions, and ultimately, to navigate the complexities of our digital world with confidence and precision. Data analytics might seem like a complex subject, but it's actually more relatable than you think. Let's break it down into 4 main types: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle. Descriptive analytics is like the picture on the puzzle box. It tells you what your completed puzzle will look like. In the world of data, descriptive analytics provides insights into the past. It answers the question, what happened? Now, let's say you're midway through the puzzle and you find a piece you can't place. You'd probably try to figure out where it fits, right? That's diagnostic analytics. It delves into data to answer, why did it happen? Next, we have predictive analytics. Picture this. You're looking at the remaining pieces of your puzzle, and you're trying to guess where they might fit based on their shapes and patterns. That's what predictive analytics does. It uses historical data to predict future outcomes. Think of it like your weather app predicting tomorrow's temperature based on past climate patterns. Finally, we come to prescriptive analytics. This is like having a friend who's already completed the same puzzle guide you. They can tell you exactly where each piece fits. Similarly, prescriptive analytics not only anticipates what will happen and when it will happen, but also why it will happen. It suggests various course of actions to affect the desired outcome. Now let's put these concepts into real-world context. When you look at your phone to check the weather forecast for the next day, you're benefiting from predictive analytics. Meteorologists analyze past weather data to predict future conditions, helping you decide whether to carry an umbrella or wear sunglasses. And when you watch a recommended movie on a streaming platform, that's prescriptive analytics at work. The algorithm analyzes your past viewing history, predicts what you might like, and prescribes a movie you're likely to enjoy. So next time you check the weather forecast, remember you're benefiting from data analytics. It's not so complex when you break it down, right? Now, you might be wondering, why does data analytics matter? Well, imagine this. You're a doctor, and you've just been handed a new patient's file. There are hundreds of pages of medical history, lab results, and doctor's notes to sift through. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But with data analytics, you can quickly and efficiently analyze all that information, identify patterns and correlations, and make an informed diagnosis. That's the power of data analytics. Let's take another example. You're a retailer and you have thousands of products across hundreds of stores. How do you know which products are selling well and which ones aren't? Once again, data analytics comes to the rescue. It enables you to analyze sales data, identify trends, and make decisions that boost sales and improve customer satisfaction. Now let's step into the world of entertainment. Imagine you're a filmmaker. You've just released a new movie and you want to know how it's being received. Is it a hit or a flop? With data analytics, you can analyze box office sales, social media buzz, and critical reviews to gauge the movie's success. But the power of data analytics doesn't stop at informed decision-making. It also improves operational efficiency. With data analytics, businesses can streamline their processes, identify bottlenecks, and implement solutions that save time and money. For example, a logistics company can use data analytics to optimize delivery routes, reducing fuel costs and improving delivery times. Moreover, data analytics enhances customer experience. Businesses can analyze customer behavior to understand their needs and preferences, enabling them to tailor their products and services to meet those needs. For instance, a streaming service can use data analytics to recommend shows and movies based on a user's viewing history, enhancing the user's experience and increasing engagement. So, why does data analytics matter? Because it empowers businesses and professionals to make smarter, data-driven decisions. It boosts efficiency, enhances customer experience, and ultimately drives success. Data analytics is the secret sauce that spices up decision-making and boosts efficiency in businesses. Scene script. Let's see data analytics in action, shall we? Imagine you're a healthcare provider. Each day, you're inundated with data from patient records, medical histories, lab results, and demographic information. It's a veritable deluge of data. But what do you do with it all? That's where data analytics comes into play. By employing advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, you can sift through this sea of information and identify patterns. For instance, you might discover that certain neighborhoods are hotspots for specific health conditions, or that particular age groups are more susceptible to certain diseases. This is not just interesting trivia, it's invaluable information that enables you to allocate resources more effectively, design targeted interventions, and ultimately save lives. Now, let's step into the shoes of a retailer. The holiday season is fast approaching, and you're trying to forecast sales to ensure you're adequately stocked. Once again, data analytics is your secret weapon. By analyzing historical sales data, demographic data, even weather patterns, you can predict which products are likely to fly off the shelves and which might be left gathering dust. This kind of foresight not only helps you meet customer demand, but also prevents wastage and optimizes profits. What about the world of sports? Data analytics has revolutionized this arena too. By analyzing player performance data, teams can develop strategies, refine training programs, and even scout for new talent. The common thread here is the transformation of raw data into actionable insights. Whether in healthcare, retail, sports, or countless other sectors, this is the power of data analytics at work. It's about making sense of the data deluge, uncovering hidden patterns, and harnessing this knowledge to drive decision-making. So, the next time you're at your doctor's office, shopping for your holiday gifts, or cheering for your favorite team, remember the role of data analytics. Behind the scenes, it's working tirelessly, turning raw data into meaningful insights and, in the process, shaping our world. These real-world examples illustrate how data analytics can turn raw data into actionable insights. So, what's next for data analytics? As we peer into the crystal ball of the future, we see a landscape transformed by the rise of big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These advancements are more than just buzzwords. They are the driving forces that will further revolutionize the field of data analytics. Consider big data. We are producing more data than ever before. Every click, every like, every share, every purchase, it's all data. And it's not just the volume of data that's impressive, it's the speed at which it's being generated. This avalanche of information, if harnessed correctly, can provide unprecedented insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and more. Now let's move on to artificial intelligence. AI, once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality. It's becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, from powering our voice assistants to making recommendations on our favorite streaming platforms. In the realm of data analytics, AI will be instrumental in processing and interpreting vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions at a scale and speed far beyond human capabilities. And finally, machine learning. This subset of AI is all about teaching computers to learn from the data they process, improving their performance over time without human intervention. Machine learning algorithms are already being used to predict customer churn, detect fraud, and optimize logistics in many industries. In the future, their applications will only expand, further pushing the boundaries of what's possible with data analytics. The future of data analytics is not just about advanced technologies. It's about the convergence of these technologies, creating a synergy that will lead to more accurate predictions, smarter decisions, and deeper insights. It's about turning raw data into actionable knowledge, and in the process, transforming businesses, industries, and even our daily lives. In the world of data analytics, the future promises even more exciting possibilities. So stay curious, stay informed, and who knows, you might just predict the future.